To use the Verizon One Talk app, touch the app icon. It will automatically display your call log. In the top right-hand corner, you can click on the phone symbol. That brings up your dialing pad and your contact list. You can select a contact to place a call, or you can type in a phone number or even an extension that is part of your One Talk network. Say you have extension 1003. Type it out, press the green phone, and when your call is active, it shows your features. You can put the call on mute, put it on speaker, you can transition to video calling, you can put the call on hold, and you can even transfer it just like you would at the office. Type in the extension number and press the green arrow. When the transfer is complete, you will get a message. You can also text from the One Talk app, so just go to the Messages tab on the bottom. This will show your messages. To start a new message, click the top right-hand corner. You can select a contact to text, and then type out your message. Bottom right tab is your contact list. You can go here to initiate a call. The bottom left tab goes back to the main page. 3 lines in the top left open your main menu. To forward a call, hit the pencil and type out the phone number. Make sure you toggle the call forwarding button. Pressing the toggle by Do Not Disturb will prevent any calls from ringing your One Talk app on your phone. Hit Call Voicemail to access your voicemail box. And then touch Features and Settings, where you can also make more specific tweaks. And that's the One Talk app.